Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas. We're here today with the ESAB 205 Rebel and the new helmet. I saw this thing at FabTech. It's called the SAVAGE hood by ESAB. So this hood is a, I want to say more of an entry hood, but with the same quality as the Sentinel A50. So this is a SAVAGE A40. The hood runs right around $108 right now. So it's a low price point. So the barrier entry is low, and it's actually a really nice hood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld with it, and I'm going to talk about how the thing looks when I weld. So I welded with it at FabTech. The clarity on it is really good, and it's shocking for that price point. It's really good. So this hood, 3-year warranty, 100% guaranteed, backed by ESAB. So if you don't like it, it's 100% guaranteed, so they'll give you your money back. But a 3-year warranty. It's a solar welding hood with battery assist. So the way that works, the light off your welding arc charges the lithium-ion battery within the hood. So it's pretty neat. So just going over some simple things here with the hood. It's got an external shade designator, so you go 9 to 13. It's got a grind button. We flip it inside. We got sensitivity and we got delay, so we can adjust those two things. To get that lens out, these two knobs on the screw. It's got a cheater lens holder. It's 2x4 viewing range. It's a pretty nice hood. I mean, it's not bad. Now the headgear, different from the Sentinel, but still I really do like it. I like the old style solid headgear, none of that webbing stuff. It's got a nice back end, feels pretty comfortable, nice pad on there. It's actually pretty nice. So let's give this thing a shot, and we'll try it out. So we just got some regular MIG welding wire here. We're just going to run a little lap weld, and things should be good to go. Got a ground hook. So first things first, right out of the gate, what I like about that hood is the clarity on it. I can see the weldment around me. I can see the joint, and I can see where I'm going. I mean, it's really clear. You can notice that table's got a little red paint on it. I can see the red paint. I mean, the clarity on it's pretty darn good. So I mean, I would compare it to a Sentinel as far as clarity goes, and it does have the same rating as a Sentinel. Some other things about the hood. So the price point at $108. We're going to put it between the Classic and the Performance on the Miller series. So you're right in the middle there. I think it'd be a good hood for a brand new welding student. Doesn't want to spend a whole lot on a hood, but doesn't trust like your Harbor Freight, that kind of thing. Those cheaper hoods for the $40, $50 hoods, and they have no warranty. You can't find lenses for those things. So this one at $108. You know, you can find lenses. It's backed by warranty, 100% guaranteed. And also, I think it'd be good for a person just starting a welding job. So say they had a hood or an old straight shade hood, and they want to get an auto darkening hood, but they don't know how this job's going to go. Be a perfect point of entry for them, I think. So right now, we're going to throw a promo code out there for this hood. The promo code is SAVAGE, and we'll give you a free pack of outer lenses when you add this to your cart. So thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for more videos. We got more coming up. If you haven't seen all my ESAB Rebel videos, we'll link those things below. Break down this machine, go over and set up, that sort of thing. And I got some Sentinel videos out there too to show those off. So check it out. Thanks for watching.